Welcome to the model 3 of this side hustle masterclass. Now we are going to be looking at the 15 side hustles you can start and make lots of money. If you are new here, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our amazing videos. If you have watched model 1 and model 2 of this side hustle masterclass, let me know in the comment section. Just type I'm following. And if you are just seeing this video and haven't watched any of the models, let me know in the comment section. Just indicate with an emoji so that I'll send you link to the videos. I can't talk about side hustles and then I will not mention of mini importation as the #1 side hustle. Mini importation is just a simple business where you can buy products from overseas, especially China, Turkey, Dubai at a cheaper price and ship it to your own country and resell it at a higher price for massive profit. The mini importation business have been around for a longer time now. At first, you needed huge amount of money to import goods, but ever since people knew they could buy small quantities of anything they wanted from China and resell for higher profits, a lot of business doors were open. Now people with big capital of money are no longer the only ones who can buy full container of goods and make insane amount of money. Anybody with any amount of money, even with little or no capital, can start an importation business right from the comfort of your home. That is the reason why I said I cannot mention of side hustles without mini importation as the #1 side hustle. With this advanced technology, you don't need to go to China before you can import. No, not at all. You can actually sit in the comfort of your home and import with your smartphone. All you need to start a successful mini importation business is your smartphone and then an internet connection. Now let me give you 4 facts about mini importation that you don't know. 1. You don't need to have a physical store before you can sell your products after importing. You can actually use your phone to do everything. Yes, you can use your phone to do everything from buying to selling. Yes, everything. Number 2, you can start with little or no capital. Are you surprised? Yes, you can start mini importation with little or no capital. 3, you don't need to travel to China, Turkey or Dubai before you can import. No, you can just sit in the comfort of your home and then you can do everything. You can import and sell all your goods while sitting at home. Yes, so now let me also give you some of the few products that you can sell. Yes, the list I'm going to give you is fast selling products. These products sell like pure water here in Ghana, Nigeria and other African countries. So we have slimming teas, we have wigs, body sprays, female clothing, beauty hair products, beard oils, health products, phone accessories, kitchen utensils, phones, etc, etc. There are a lot of websites you can use to import from China, but the common ones are Alibaba, AliExpress, 1688, Pindodo and Taobao. I love 1688.com because that is where most other e-commerce websites get their stuffs. Yes, other e-commerce websites, they go to 1688, they buy their goods and then they now resell it onto their own website. You get? So this is to tell you that 1688 is the cheapest place to buy your goods. Yes, so 1688 is a Chinese website owned by a Chinese man. And this site is a shopping website solely dedicated to catering for the Chinese community. You see, products on the 1688 are sold for ridiculously cheap prices than you could find on any other sites like Alibaba or AliExpress. But this does not imply that they are fake products. No, not at all. They are highly qualitative products. The reason why they are cheap is because it is basically for the Chinese community. If you want to learn how to import these quality yet affordable products, we have a masterclass that will guide you on how to import on your own. We have China importation, how to import from China. That is the 1688. We also have Dubai importation, how to import from Dubai. We have Bangladesh importation, how to import from Bangladesh. Bangladesh. We also have Nigeria importation, how to import from Nigeria. This masterclass on importation comes with different prices. Yes, so if you want to learn any of these countries importation, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to contact us to join the masterclass now. In the next video, I'll show you the other side hustle ideas that you can start today and make more money. Click the link below or check the playlist to watch that video now.